lots of talking to do today, don't you? Good. Yes, so much talking. Good girl. What else would you like to talk about? And then what did you do? Oh. Are you having a good girl? Yes. Ah, you smiling. You want to go to the park and pick Calvin up from school? Yes. You gonna ride in your stroller? Go out. You gonna go out in the sunlight? Yeah. Go play with the kids? Huh. You're talking so much today. Yes, are you talking? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? No. Come on. I know you can. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can Sylvia help you say goodbye? Ah, that was scary. That was scary.